In a move shaking up the legal world, President Donald Trump signed an executive order targeting Seattle-based law firm Perkins Coie, revoking its employees' federal security clearances over concerns about its diversity, equity and inclusion, DEI practices, and political activities. The firm, long tied to Democratic interests, has been accused of weaponizing the legal system against Trump's administration and his political allies. Trump's order goes beyond Perkins Coie, launching a broader probe into the nation's largest law firms to uncover what his administration calls unlawful DEI practices and politically motivated legal attacks. At the signing, Trump declared, "It's just terrible. It's weaponization against a political opponent, and it should never be allowed to happen again." A crackdown on lawfare and security clearances, Perkins Coie, a powerhouse in Democratic politics, has faced scrutiny for its past legal work on behalf of Hillary Clinton's 2016 campaign and lawsuits challenging Trump-era policies. White House officials accused the firm of engaging in partisan legal battles against the administration while allegedly practicing racial discrimination through its DEI programs. The executive order effectively blocks federal agencies from hiring Perkins Coie employees or working with contractors associated with the firm. Additionally, the security clearances of individuals linked to Perkins Coie will be suspended pending a review to determine if their continued access to sensitive information aligns with national security interests. Trump's broader war on DEI and politicized law firms beyond Perkins Coie, the Trump administration is expanding its investigation into approximately 15 major law firms suspected of using DEI programs to discriminate based on race and political ideology. White House aide Will Scharf emphasized the administration's focus on accountability, stating, "Your administration has made it a priority to end lawfare and the weaponization of government." This executive order aligns with Trump's broader stance against DEI programs, which he has repeatedly criticized as tools for discrimination rather than inclusion. The president has made it clear that his administration will scrutinize firms that engage in these practices, ensuring compliance with federal anti-discrimination laws. The fallout, legal battles, and political shockwaves. Perkins Coie has yet to issue a response, but legal experts anticipate a heated legal battle over the constitutionality of stripping security clearances and blocking federal contracts. Democrats and progressive legal groups are already framing Trump's move as an abuse of power aimed at silencing political opposition. On the other hand, Trump's supporters view this as a long overdue counterattack against the legal establishment that has targeted him for years. Conservative commentators argue that firms like Perkins Coie have operated with political bias under the guise of legal professionalism, using the courts to push partisan agendas. What's next? With Trump's executive order now in effect, federal agencies must review their ties to Perkins Coie and similar firms. Expect legal challenges, fiery congressional debates, and intensified scrutiny over